Discover top-tier ceiling storage rack kits, engineered for optimal organization and space maximization. Our carefully curated selection features premium materials and innovative designs, ensuring durability and ease of installation. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficient storage solutions with our best-in-class ceiling rack kits, tailored to meet your storage needs with style and functionality. There are many products available to choose best ceiling storage rack kits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ceiling storage rack kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Introducing the 80,844 to 1034 inches x 26 inches Adjustable Garage Ceiling Mount Storage Rack Kit in Hammertone, a versatile solution for maximizing storage space in your garage, attic, or underdeck area. These high-loft ceiling storage racks feature adjustable braces to accommodate any ceiling joist configuration, allowing you to store kayaks, skis, and other bulky items. Customize the width and height to suit your needs and expand the depth to any desired length. Whether used with or without a platform, this rack supports up to 250 pounds when properly secured. Crafted from durable steel with a scratch-resistant Hammertone powder coat finish, it ensures longevity and durability. Easy to install with included hardware, it's ideal for creating custom storage solutions tailored to your space. Declutter your garage and enjoy efficient organization with this versatile ceiling mount storage rack kit. Number 2. Introducing the 80,842 to 1033 inches x 34 inches Adjustable Garage Ceiling Mount Storage Rack Kit, a versatile solution for decluttering your space. This rack provides easy out-of-the-way storage for long-handled tools, lumber, kayaks, and more, fitting seamlessly into your garage, basement, attic, or under decks. Its adjustable design accommodates any ceiling joist configuration, with dimensions ranging from 24-inch to 34 in width and 17 to 26 in height. Crafted from durable steel with a scratch-resistant white powder coat finish, it holds up to 200 pounds per pair of racks. Easy to install with included hardware, it's the perfect way to maximize your storage potential while keeping your space organized and clutter-free. Number 3. Introducing the heavyweight 48-inch WX96D Do-It-Yourself Plastic Ceiling Storage Kit in Gray, the ultimate solution for building a robust overhead storage rack in your garage, shop, or utility space. This versatile kit provides all the hardware and fasteners needed, along with plans for constructing the most popular size ceiling storage units. With straightforward assembly requiring only straight 90 degrees cuts, utilizing scrap lumber you already have, it's a hassle-free DIY project. The 4-foot by 8-foot ceiling kit boasts a remarkable capacity of up to 500 pounds, offering ample storage for various items. Bring order to your space and maximize storage potential with this convenient and durable ceiling storage kit. Note: 2x4 lumber and plywood/particle board not included. Number 4. Introducing the Overhead Garage Storage Rack Kit, a versatile solution for maximizing space utilization in your garage or utility room. Adjustable in 1.5-inch increments from 22 to 33 inches wide, this rack offers 30 cubic feet of ceiling storage space, perfect for organizing tools, sports equipment, and more. With a height range of 17 to 26 inches, it adapts to most ceiling joists, ensuring compatibility and versatility. Constructed with high-quality steel and a durable white powder-coated finish, each shelf can hold up to 250 pounds, providing sturdy support for sports equipment, seasonal decorations, and bulky items. Effortless to install with step-by-step instructions and an installation template, it saves valuable time and space, making it an exceptional storage solution for smaller areas. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficient organization with this retractable overhead storage rack. Number 5. Introducing the Garage Storage System and Storage Rack Kit, designed to optimize garage space and keep your belongings organized. The adjustable overhead steel storage rack boasts a generous 30 cubic feet capacity, maximizing storage potential. Constructed from durable steel with a scratch-resistant white powder-coated finish, it ensures longevity. With adjustable height from 17 to 28 inches, it accommodates various garage configurations. Each shelf holds up to 250 pounds, providing sturdy support for your items. Complete with all necessary installation hardware, setup is hassle-free. Whether you're storing tools, seasonal items, or sports equipment, this storage system offers a convenient and reliable solution to declutter your garage and create a more functional space. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.